Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is it me, Teacher Sam? In today's video, we're diving into a powerful method that can take your business English skills to the next level. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation, a meeting, or just want to communicate more effectively in the workplace, shadowing is the technique you need to know. Let's get started. Have you ever felt tongue-tied in a business meeting? Do you struggle to find the right words when speaking to international clients? You are not alone. Many people find business English to be a challenge. But what if there was a fun and effective way to improve your communication skills and boost your confidence? There is. It's called shadowing. Think of it as learning a new language by mimicking your favorite actors or public speakers. With shadowing, you can master the nuances of business English and sound like a natural in no time. In today's globalized world, business communication often takes place across borders and cultures. This can be exciting, but it also presents unique challenges, especially for those who are not native English speakers. From understanding different accents to navigating unfamiliar jargon, communicating effectively in a professional setting can feel like navigating a minefield. This is where shadowing comes in handy. It is a powerful tool that can help you overcome these obstacles and unlock your full potential in the international business arena. So, what exactly is shadowing? It's simple. You listen to a recording of someone speaking in the language you want to learn, and then you try to speak along with them. It's like karaoke for language learning. Shadowing is particularly effective for business English because it helps you develop a natural flow and rhythm in your speech. You learn to pronounce words clearly, use appropriate intonation, and even pick up on subtle cultural cues. This can make a world of difference in how you are perceived in a professional setting. Now let's look at shadowing, a step-by-step guide to success. Ready to give shadowing a try? Shadowing is a powerful technique that can significantly enhance your business English skills. Here's how to get started. Follow these steps to make the most out of your shadowing practice. Step 1. Select relevant material. This is crucial because the material you choose will set the foundation for your learning. Choose audio or video clips that feature native speakers using business English in real-life situations. This will help you understand the context and usage of different phrases. Think podcasts, TED Talks, and other resources that provide authentic language exposure, or even excerpts from your favorite business leaders' speeches. These sources are rich in professional language and can offer valuable insights. Step 2. Focus on key phrases and vocabulary. This step is about honing in on the language that will be most useful to you. As you shadow, pay close attention to common business phrases, idioms, and industry-specific vocabulary. These are the building blocks of effective communication. Write down any new words or expressions you come across. Keeping a vocabulary journal can be incredibly helpful. Step 3. Practice in realistic scenarios. This is where you bring your shadowing practice to life. Don't just shadow in your head. Engage with the material actively. Find opportunities to practice speaking out loud. This could be in front of a mirror, with a friend, or even recording yourself. Imagine yourself giving a presentation, participating in a conference call, or negotiating a deal. Visualization can enhance your confidence and performance. Participating in a conference call, or negotiating a deal. These scenarios will help you apply what you've learned in a practical context. Step 4. Record and review. This step is about self-assessment and continuous improvement. Record yourself shadowing and listen back to identify areas where you can improve your pronunciation, intonation, or fluency. This feedback loop is essential for progress. Intonation or fluency. Pay attention to the nuances of the language. Don't be afraid to be your own critic. Constructive self-criticism can lead to significant improvements. Step 5. Make it a daily habit. Consistency is key. Regular practice will help reinforce what you've learned. Even dedicating just 15 to 20 minutes each day to shadowing can make a noticeable difference in your business English skills over time. The more consistent you are, the more natural the language will become. Don't forget that you need to level up your shadowing game. Once you feel comfortable with the basics of shadowing, why not challenge yourself further? Shadowing is a powerful tool for improving your language skills, but to truly master it, you need to push your boundaries. Here are a few bonus tips to take your practice to the next level. Vary your material. Experiment with different accents, speaking styles, and industries to broaden your exposure to diverse business English. This will not only enhance your listening skills, but also make you more adaptable in various professional settings. Focus on intonation and rhythm. Pay attention to the speaker's tone of voice and try to replicate their intonation patterns. Notice how they emphasize certain words and how their pitch changes throughout their speech. This will make your speech sound more natural and engaging. Shadow in chunks. If you're working with a longer piece of audio, break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. This approach allows you to focus on mastering one section at a time without feeling overwhelmed. By concentrating on smaller segments, you can pay closer attention to details and improve your accuracy. This will help you focus on mastering one section at a time. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Shadowing is a learning process, so don't be discouraged if you stumble over words or phrases. Mistakes are a natural part of learning and can provide valuable insights into areas that need improvement. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them as opportunities to grow and refine your skills. Shadowing is a learning process, so don't be discouraged if you stumble over words or phrases. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice will lead to noticeable improvements over time. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Keep pushing your limits, and soon, you'll see significant progress in your shadowing skills. I'm sure you will like to hear about Maria's success story. Maria, a young marketing professional from Spain, had always dreamed of working for a global advertising agency. She was passionate about marketing and had a creative flair that set her apart from her peers. However, she faced a significant challenge. Despite her talent, she felt her English skills were holding her back. This language barrier made her hesitant to apply for international positions, and she often felt frustrated and disheartened. Determined to overcome this obstacle, Maria decided to try shadowing. She dedicated just 30 minutes each morning to practicing with recordings of successful advertising campaigns. She listened intently, mimicking the intonations and expressions of the speakers. Within a few months, Maria noticed a remarkable improvement in her fluency and confidence. Her colleagues began to notice her enhanced communication skills, and she felt more self-assured during meetings and presentations. Her hard work paid off when she landed her dream job at a top agency in London. Now, she leads international marketing campaigns with ease, collaborating with clients and colleagues from around the world. Maria's story is a testament to the power of shadowing in transforming professional communication skills. Her journey shows that with dedication and the right strategies, overcoming language barriers is possible, leading to incredible career opportunities. Now is your turn to shine. Mastering business English is a journey, not a destination. Shadowing provides you with the tools and techniques to excel in your professional life. So why not give it a try? Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. You might be surprised at how quickly you start to see and hear the results in your own communication skills. Remember, the only limit is your own dedication and enthusiasm. So, to recap, shadowing is an incredible technique that can help you master business English and take your professional communication skills to the next level. By choosing the right material, practicing consistently, and mimicking native speakers, you can build a more natural and confident way of speaking English. Whether you're struggling to understand complex jargon or idioms, or simply want to improve your communication skills, shadowing is an effective way to get there. Join the challenge and give shadowing a try. I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to take your business communication skills to the next level, be sure to download my latest ebook titled, Business English Conversations in Practice, the first link in the description. This book will help you understand all the advanced techniques for communicating confidently and effectively in English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.